Guys, real quick before I head over to TriStar Jiu-Jitsu here in Montreal, this is the restroom of our Ruby Foo hotel. One cool thing is they actually had the sanitation thing on here, letting you know that it actually got fully cleaned. Full ropes. Doors locked good. Full bed. You got TV, desk area. Oh, we do have a mini fridge, perfect. Drawers, air conditioner. Decent pool view. And bam, beautiful. All right, I gotta get off going to TriStar, and we'll give you a full tour of the rest of the hotel later. With the close of the trip, we are gonna show you guys one last part of the hotel. Hopefully it's clear so that we can respect people's space, but fingers crossed.
The nice thing too about staying in a hotel this size versus one in the city is it doesn't take very long for the elevator to get there. It doesn't have 50 floors to sift through, you know?
Yeah. The nice thing about the VR is I don't have to worry about where I'm angling this thing. I can literally just hold it like that. And it would like...
You could, but I still just keep it upright.
Are we good?
Yeah,
we're
I
clear?
think we're good in here.
I think honestly it was the China bus that filled up.
There is someone in here in the lobby part, but not the gym.
Alright, well then we'll do this. Give some privacy.
You have a decent amount of equipment in here.
I love the fact that they have the speed bag in the corner over there. They have the whole heavy bag.
I mean, you don't see
It's all like old equipment though.
It's true.
Universal, what era? Oh, this was built in Iowa. I mean, showers.
No, this is also another way to get to the sauna.
Oh.
But they got bathrooms over here.
Oh, right, I remember this.
This is the massage therapy I was talking about.
The masseuse.
Yeah.
And then that was the sauna steam butt.
And I don't see it right in here.
Alright.
There might be someone at the sauna, but that I can see from.
And then time controlled steam room sauna, which was also a very nice touch. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, most of the time a hotel you'll be like, it has a sauna, but you almost never see a steam room.
Alright, I'm gonna pause this for a second. Lots of banquet halls.
And what's cool is because this is a strictly, well not strictly, but predominantly Asian themed restaurant, all of the conference rooms are named after a different
Asian city.
Yeah.
Coat Shack. At least it's
It
put.
was open yesterday.
At least it's put together today. And then I like that they have a little boutique. I wish it was actually functional. And I love the fact that they have a little barber shop in here. It's an authentic little barber shop.
Gino and Dean.
Well, even if we can't get into the pool, at least here's a view of it. Which, all in all, wasn't too bad. I mean, I wish it was a little heated. Being up
I
north
agree
here.
with that. It would be nice if it was a little bit warmer, but not bad once you get in there.
Main room, restrooms off to the sides, more banquet halls off to the right. Vending machines, and then we had just the restaurant up ahead and then another little elevator up. Sums up pretty much the first floor. You guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. All in all, the hotel cost, I think, what we paid, like 400, 500,
It was
something.
like with tax and the deposit, which was with $100 deposit. It came to less than what it showed us in Canadian currency, in American currency.
It's a little under 500, or something.
Once you get your deposit back, it would have been like $450.
All right.
Which for 2 nights was not unreasonable.
the size. We're near a subway. We're within 2 blocks of a subway. There's plenty of restaurants within walking distance. Traffic out here is hit or miss. I mean, it's not too bad. It's definitely not Long Island, New York City.
And even when it gets busy, it never actually stops, which is what I've never understood about traffic jams. So it's nice that even when it's congested, you're moving.
All right. Till next time, guys.